Hey everyone, for your library lesson this week, you are going to take a virtual field trip. And to do that, you're going to use Google Earth. So if you go to Google and you type in Google Earth, it should bring you to a website. If you click on this first one here, that looks like this. So I'm going to just kind of jump ahead. So on the left, you'll click on the little magnifying glass to search for the locations that you'd like to go. So they have some featured things that are kind of cool here. Your ecosystems, lighthouses, the oceans. You can click on those and those will give you tours, or you can search for specific places. So let's say I wanted to see the Eiffel Tower in Paris. As I just start to spell it, there it is. Boom, it pops right up. Okay, so if I click on that, I'm going to zoom right into it, and there it is. Look at that. So I come over here and I click on this little guy to the right, and that is going to highlight some sections in blue. And if I click right next to where the Eiffel Tower is in the blue section, I should be able to zoom right in. Disappeared on me here. There we go. All right. All right, and there I am, right on the streets in Paris. And if I look up, here it is, the Eiffel Tower. And I should be able to, following these arrows, I should be able to kind of drive around Paris a little bit and get a little closer. So if you remember, we did do this in class a little bit. We did this with Leominster. We kind of went around and looked at different places in Leominster, but you can also go anywhere in the world. So let's try another place. Let's see. How about Times Square in New York? All right, so when I click on that, I'm going to zoom out, and now I'm going to fly from Paris back to New York. And there I am in New York City. All right, and again, I can click on this little guy. It's going to light up blue, and then I click down on the street. Boom, and here I am. Now, I bet you're wondering, why does it look like that right now? Well, this was taken just after New Year's Eve. And New Year's Eve, a lot of people travel to Times Square to watch the ball drop in the center. And these are all decorations and things. So that's what it looks like right after New Year's Eve. I've never gotten to go there for years, but I bet it would be a lot of fun. So that is Google Earth. And so that's what you're going to do this week. You're going to take a virtual field trip of a place that you've always wanted to go. You should have your parents with you to kind of help you probably with spelling some of the places, or maybe even suggesting some places that you'd like to go. And that is it. That's this week's lesson. So take a virtual field trip somewhere and then shoot me an email and let me know where you went. And maybe there's some place that you're going that I'd like to see as well. All right. Thanks a lot.